Hello, everyone, and welcome to Global English Podcast. I'm Mike.
And I'm Mia. We're delighted that you're joining us today.
If this is your first time here, welcome. This channel is your space to learn English naturally. We don't teach boring grammar rules. We have conversations and you learn by listening.
We speak slowly. We explain new words. And we make everything simple. If you're a beginner, don't worry. You're exactly where you need to be.
So relax, grab a coffee, and learn with us. And hey, if you enjoy this episode, give it a like and subscribe. It helps us a lot.
Okay, Mike. Today's topic is super important.
It is. Today we're talking about prepositions of place.
In, on, at, and by. 4 small words that confuse everyone.
Seriously, even advanced students make mistakes with these.
So if you struggle with prepositions, you're not alone. We're going to help you today.
And we're also going to talk about common mistakes, the errors that students make again and again.
This is going to be really useful. Stay until the end because we have a vocabulary game and a fun question for you.
Let's start. Okay, Mia. Let's begin with in. When do we use in?
We use in when something is inside a space, like a box, a room, a country, a city.
Give me an example.
Okay. The milk is in the fridge. The fridge is a closed space, and the milk is inside it.
Good. Another one?
I live in Brazil. Brazil is a country, and I'm inside that country.
Perfect. So in is for enclosed spaces or larger areas like cities and countries.
Exactly. My keys are in my bag. She works in an office. They live in Tokyo.
Wait, I have a question. Do we say in the street or on the street?
Oh, that's tricky. In American English, we usually say on the street. In British English, they often say in the street.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes. So both are correct. It depends on the country.
That's confusing, but good to know. Okay, let's talk about on. When do we use on?
We use on when something is touching a surface, like a table, a wall, or the floor.
So the book is on the table?
Yes. The book is touching the top of the table. The picture is on the wall. The cat is sleeping on the bed.
What about transportation? I always get confused with that.
Good question. We use on for big transportation. On the bus, on the train, on the plane.
But we say in the car, right?
Yes. That's a common mistake. We say in the car and in the taxi because they're small. You have to bend down to get inside.
Oh, so big transportation is on, small transportation is in?
Exactly. You're on the bus, but you're in a taxi.
That makes sense now. What about on the phone?
We say on the phone when we're talking to someone. Sorry, I'm on the phone right now.
But the phone is in my hand, right?
Yes, the physical phone is in your hand. But when you're having a conversation, you're on the phone. English is weird sometimes.
Very weird. Okay, let's move to at. This one confuses me the most.
I understand. At is for specific locations or points. Not inside, not on top. Just at that place.
Can you give examples?
Sure, I'm at the bus stop. The bus stop is a specific point. I'm at the door. I'm at home.
Wait, why do we say at home but in the house?
Oh, great question. At home is more general. It means you're there, somewhere in that place. In the house is more specific. You're inside the building.
So, I'm at home means I could be in the garden too?
Exactly. But I'm in the house means you're definitely inside.
This is making so much sense now. What about events?
We use at for events. I'm at a party. She's at a concert. We met at a wedding.
And what about work and school?
We say at work and at school. But we say in the office and in the classroom.
Oh, so at is the general place and in is the specific room inside?
Yes, you're getting it.
Finally. Okay, last one. By, when do we use by?
By means next to or near something. Very close but not touching.
Example?
The restaurant is by the river. It's next to the river. Very close.
What about she's standing by the window?
Perfect. She's next to the window, very close to it.
This is clearer than I thought. Okay, Mia. Let's talk about common mistakes. What errors do students make?
Oh, so many. The first big mistake, saying in instead of at for places.
Like what?
People say, I arrived in the airport. That's wrong.
What's correct?
I arrived at the airport. The airport is a specific point, so we use at.
Oh, I think I've made that mistake before.
Many people do. Another common mistake, on instead of in for cars.
Right. People say I'm on the car.
But that means you're sitting on top of the car, like on the roof.
Ha, that's a funny image. So it's I'm in the car?
Exactly. Another mistake. I live on Brazil.
That sounds so wrong.
It is. You live in Brazil, in Japan, in Canada. Countries use in.
What about streets?
Good one. In American English, we say I live on Main Street. We use on for streets.
But people say I live in Main Street.
Sometimes, but it's not standard American English. On is safer for streets.
Got it. Any other common mistakes?
Yes, confusing at the end and in the end.
Wait, what's the difference?
At the end means the final part of something, like at the end of the movie or at the end of the street.
And in the end?
In the end means finally, after everything. We had many problems, but in the end, everything was okay.
Oh, so at the end is location, and in the end is time?
Exactly. You're so smart today, Mike.
Ha, I'm learning. This is actually really helpful.
Right? Prepositions are tricky, but once you understand the logic, it gets easier.
Let me see if I got it. In is for enclosed spaces and big areas. On is for surfaces and big transportation. At is for specific points and events. By is for next to something.
Perfect summary.
Okay, Mia, time for our vocabulary game.
Yes. Listeners, try to guess the correct preposition.
First one. The cat is sleeping. The bed. On the bed or in the bed?
On the bed. The cat is on top of the bed.
Correct. But if the cat is under the blankets, then it's in the bed.
Good point. Okay, next one.
Second, I arrived. The airport at 6 a.m. At or in?
At the airport.
Yes. Third, she lives Japan. In or at.
In Japan.
Perfect. Fourth, the coffee shop is the bank. It's very close. By or on?
By the bank.
Excellent. Last one. I'm the bus right now. In or on?
On the bus.
You got them all?
Did you get them too? Say the answers out loud.
Okay, now our question of the day.
This one is fun.
Today's question is, describe where you are right now using in, on, at, and by. Try to use all 4 prepositions.
Oh, I love this. Let me try. I'm at home. I'm in my living room. I'm sitting on the sofa. And my dog is sleeping by my feet.
That's perfect. 4 prepositions, 1 description.
Now it's your turn. Write your answer in the comments. Challenge yourself to use all 4.
We'd love reading your answers. It's amazing to see where our listeners are around the world.
Okay, Mike. Time to say goodbye.
Already? This was so helpful.
It was. Remember, everyone, prepositions are tricky, but practice makes perfect.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn.
If this episode helped you, please give it a like. It tells us you want more grammar topics like this.
Subscribe to Global English Podcast and hit that notification bell so you know when we post new episodes.
Share this with a friend who struggles with prepositions. We all have that friend.
Hey, you always say in the bus. Watch this video.
Haha, perfect! From both of us.
Keep practicing.
And keep learning.
See you next time.
Bye.